Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. I'm Dr. Muazzam Manzoor, and now we are going to start off our discussion with cell cycle. Towards the very beginning of our discussion with this subsection, I would like to ask few questions from you, and here we have got few options. A option is G1, B option is S, C option is G2, D option is M, and E option is G0. And first statement है हमारे पास, cells are metabolically least active during which phase of cell cycle. यहाँ पूछा गया है cells are metabolically least active during which phase of cell cycle. And if you are thinking the best response to this question is G0, you are thinking on the wrong lines. क्योंकि G0 phase में cell resting होता है in terms of cell division, not the metabolism. For example, कुछ cells हैं हमारी body में जो कि G0 phase में होते हैं, like the skeletal muscle cells, the neurons, ये G0 phase में है, लेकिन इसके बावजूद ये one of the metabolically most active cells of our body हैं. Yes, they are resting in terms of cell division, not in terms of metabolism. So ये इसका best response नहीं होगा. And the best response to this question is delta, that is M phase. ऐसा क्यों है, इसको भी हम आगे चल के डिस्कस करेंगे. Another statement, sister chromatids are formed during which phase of cell cycle? Sister chromatids cell cycle की किस phase में बनते हैं? And the best response to this question is beta, that is S phase. Another statement, DNA replication takes place during which phase of cell cycle? अब DNA replication के नतीजे में ही basically sister chromatids बनते हैं. So इस question का भी जो best